Hydraulic fracturing, commonly called fracking, is a technique used to extract oil and natural gas from deep underground rock formations. The process uses high pressure to create tiny cracks in shale rock, allowing trapped resources to flow to the surface. Today, more than half of all natural gas produced in the United States comes from wells utilizing hydraulic fracturing. Operators drill down and then turn horizontally to reach specific rock layers, injecting a mix of water, sand, and chemicals to release energy. Conventional wells rely on natural pressure, while unconventional wells like those in shale require intense stimulation to produce. This technology has significantly increased domestic production capacity over the last 2 decades, changing the national energy landscape. While fracking provides abundant and affordable energy, it also brings important questions regarding water usage and local environmental impacts. Thanks for watching. Understanding these methods helps us grasp global energy markets. Educational content, not financial advice.